share my screen. Yes, all good. Practice and all. So, are you getting support from mentors? Yeah. So, let me know if you are facing any challenges. No need to wait for the class. We have a Telegram group. You can ask any question. You can take any support. Okay. Please don't wait for the next day. Don't waste your time. No problem. See, if you are having any important work, you can go ahead. But when the time will come, you can practice. Once you are free, you can do it. No problem. Okay. So Mumbai region, we created VPC subnet and all right. Okay. Okay, custom VPC. Guys, you don't forget one thing always. Why we are started AWS first. So as I said, we divided four categories, four areas: server area, development area, deployment area, and access area. We are at server area. Once we get a clarity on the server, we can deploy one application. Then we can give access. Then we can fulfill entire the process, right? Without having knowledge on server area, how to deploy, how to control, how to monitor, how to access, we'll get so many doubts. First target, and if you are clear, you can easily manage the things. That's what our focus is, target area, where the application will deploy. After develop the application, after write a code, where the deploy the code, that area we are focusing main. Developers' responsibility is to develop the code only and test the code into their missions only. But later, that code we can take as a DevOps engineers and operation in terms of operations. We can take that code, we can deploy into server, we can enabling the monitoring system, we can enabling the security system, we can enable the access to public, we can control the traffic. These many activities we need to take care. So if we want to deploy application into the server, first we should create a network. The network is very important. So public and private network. So we can deploy our application into private network inside the private server. So we can give access, we can connect the private server. Clear or not? Yeah. So always the servers, applications deployed into the private servers only. If it is a private server, how to connect from external? So using the public server, this is the Bastion host process. Every organization follows the same process only. Okay. Yeah. Let's create a server. Quickly show today what yesterday we did. How to connect private server Bastion host process again. Then we can focus on the next topic. Okay. So my end no servers are there, but network is there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a servers now. So if you are creating an environment, if you are building a new environment, definitely you should create a one public subnet, one private subnet. It's a mandatory to build an environment. Public subnet is to help to create a public server to connect the private server. Okay. Let's go to launch a server now. So if you are unable to understand the class, so you should draw the architecture first. This is my advice only. Without draw the architecture, it's very difficult how you can understand. Draw the architecture and point out the paths. Give the numbering like me. Then you can understand. Without practice, without drawing architecture, not good. It's very difficult. Though you are new to this platform. Yes, correct. Prasanna Lakshmi. Okay, I'm creating a Guys, public server, private server, can I use same key? Yes. Okay. Can I use same security group? Yes. But all are in same VPC only. Security group works, select while creating a while creating security group, we can select a VPC, right? If you select a different VPC, even though if you select a different VPC, you are unable to see the list of the security groups anyway. You can list the security group if the SGs are in the same VPC only. Those SG only we can attach. Clear? We can't attach this SG group to different VPC. Right or not? While creating SG, you are selecting VPC. So these SGs are, the list of the SGs are there in the one VPC only. You can use the same VPC inside the servers only. Clear? Yeah. So this is what hard disk. Okay. Launch a server. Before that, select the network, right? My network, I'm creating a custom VPC, right? Yesterday. Yeah. Which subnet? Public subnet. AutoSN public IP is enabled. Then launch a server. Custom SG. Launch a server. Okay. So SG also created, right? Yeah, SG also created. See, SG is what? SG is just security group to enable the rules only. Two servers are there. Two servers required to enable 22 port only, SSH only. Then no need to create two SGs. You can create one SG and attach it. If two servers on the same project, clear or not? Why we need to create different security groups? Required rule is common, right? But one server should accept 22. One server should accept 3389 RDP port only. Requirements are different. So should create a different SG groups. Understand? Yeah. Next, launch a private server. Why we need to launch a private server? Applications runs inside the private server only, not at all public server, guys. Yeah. So I can use the same key. So I can use the same SG, but don't forget here, select the VPC first. See, if you are without selecting VPC, if you see the list of security group, there is no custom SG. Why? These security groups are default VPC security groups. When I change my VPC, now you are able to see your SG group. Let's refresh. Now you can see your SG group. Understand? SG is created while creating time, selected this VPC only, so that when you choose that APC only, you are able to see the SG group. Next, AutoSN public IP you can enable also, no problem. Okay, let me enable. Okay. Select the private subnet. Okay. And next, existing group, everything is clear, right? Then launch a server. If you created two different SG groups, same SG group doesn't matter. Here, what we need to understand, 22 is enabled or not to connect a server. Two servers are using same SG, two servers are using different SG, no problem, but 22 should enable to connect a server. That's it only. So you can blindly follow me, guys. Blindly. No question about it. Again, after this class, open the YouTube. Don't do kind of things. If you follow the YouTubes, you are in the wrong direction. YouTubers always shows public networks only. They are saying they will not relieve. We should work on private network. They are always saying public networks only. Even load balancer, auto scaling groups, they are always showing public EC2s and all. So It's very difficult to clear the interview. You may say that in the interview, you may say that yes, create a public server. If you use that word, create a public server, done, your interview is. Public server, we are not supposed to use at all to deploy any applications. But in YouTube, they will deploy applications to private server, public servers directly. So please don't follow any YouTubes. Follow my classes blindly for 4.5 months. You will get a better result, no doubt at all. I'm the real-time trainer. I'm not depending only classes. After 12, my work will start. I'm supporting Europe company. So till 9, I'm busy, even though in between I'm giving replies to your messages. Understand? And small request to you all, please don't send one-to-one messages. The reason I may miss, my focus is on group only. If you say one, if you ask one request, others can help you also, right? If 150 members need my help only, it's very difficult to give the replies, right? If you share your message into group, other can help you. That's what team bonding is very important. Okay? Yeah. I'm also working. I'm not free. After this, I need to jump onto my office work and all. Even though every 1 hour I'm checking the messages, every message I'll check. If you habituate to send the messages to me directly, some days, definitely after some time, you won't get any reply from me. You miss something. Better to share your thoughts into the group only. Others can help you. I got yesterday 6 to 7 messages. I'm unable to connect a server. The same message, if you post in the group, you will get a solution in 1 minute or 2 minutes or 5 minutes. No need to wait for my reply, right? Yeah. Others know how to connect. Others can help. Team bonding is very important. Share your thoughts, but better don't share out of the box topics. Like yesterday, I've seen something. If you share out of the box topics, others may disappoint. If you know you are the IT employee, existing professional, maybe you know something. If you share your thoughts here at this time, others may worry. Not this time. Share the thoughts regarding concepts only, what we discuss. When the topic will complete, you can ask the questions, you can discuss the things. Without discussing the topics, if you start some debate on the topic, others may disappoint. Please, this is request. So, regarding this topic, in terms of public subnet, private subnet, route table, internet gateway, bash and host, you can ask you can discuss anything. The topics are completed, others also can help. Okay? Yeah, cool. So mine 2 servers are running, right? One is public, one is private. So as I said, the architecture is we discuss. These are the challenges. If you are getting any error, if you see my notes, you can understand the reason. Sir, I'm unable to connect, connection timeout error. You are just taking a screenshot and sending me one-to-one. If you can see this, you can rectify the error. If you can see this, you can rectify the error. If you can see this, you can rectify the error. Follow the notes and the material also. Okay. So my public server is running, my private server also running, but developer deploy the application, modify the application, upload the application into private server only, not public server. In this case, private server is not possible to connect from external through internet. The reason there is no routing from internet gateway to private subnet, not possible to connect from external. But it is possible the request is coming from the inside VPC only. So in this case, it should be source. It should be source means you should enter into the source first. And here to here, you can try to connect. Here to here, directly not possible. Enter into the network by using public network, and network to network, you can connect. Both are in the same VPC only. For example, public subnet is there in different VPC. Private server is there in the different VPC. Not possible to connect. In this stage, we need to learn one concept, peering concept. At the time we'll discuss. If you're having any kind of questions, my public server is running in different VPC. Private server is running different VPC. Both are not in same network, different network. So we can focus VPC peering concept in coming classes. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's connect a public server. So There is no question about AZ here. I'm talking about VPC means what? Region. Okay. Yeah. Network means VPC. VPC means region level. No talk about AZ levels. Okay. Let's connect a public server, or you can use any third party tools or terminal. Okay. So from here also you can do, from terminal also you can do, through putty also you can do, or MobXTM also you can do to connect a public server. So if I connect from here, for example, public server. Okay, you are inside the public server, right? So, but you should enter into the private server only to deploy the application. So what may you can understand? Is it possible to connect private server directly to connect option? If it is a possible, not required batch host. Clear or not? Let's try. There is a note here. Instance is not in public subnet. So not possible to connect. Even try. Clear? So not possible to connect private server directly. Clear or not? Even through MobXTOM, even through terminal, not possible. So connect public server. Yeah, sure. I will. Okay. MobXTOM. Huh? Even I'm not getting time to restart my laptop even. Seriously, I'm saying that. Taking public. So advanced SSH settings. Which key? This one, I think. Accept. EC2 hyphen user. Okay. Before that, I will show you one thing. Wait. Session SSH. Let's try to give a private. So private server is there, right? This is the private server. Case private server also enable public IP, right? So in this case, is it possible to connect from external? Let's try now. Clear now? So not possible. So your request is enter into the VPC till internet gateway only. Stuck there only. Internet gateway to your server, there is no path. This is the network. See the network first. Your server is running private subnet. There is no path here to here. Clear what I'm trying to say? Okay, I'll do one thing simple. I'll do one thing. Go to the subnets. Go to the route table. This is the custom route table. Click on this. Go to the subnet association. Only one subnet is there, right? This is public subnet. Let's go and edit here. I can give like private also path for the route table. Means go to the architecture. This is the route table. Enable this one also. Now you tell me, give the press R. Able to connect or not? Yes. Now this is not private server. Sorry, this is not private subnet. Public subnet. So server also public server only. Understand? Let's go there again. Subnet association. Edit subnet association. If I remove public subnet, also it will work like a private subnet. Just what is public and private? Just enable the route path, disable the path only. Clear? Save association. So let's go now. Even if you give EC2 user, Also not possible to connect. I removed. So it's not about enable the public IP and private IP. It's about subnet routing. So this is not possible. We'll get a timeout error. Internet is not connected to your subnet. Clear till here, everyone? Now the process is as usual. I'm connecting. Yeah, correct, Omkar. That's what I'm saying. That's what we did also now. Okay, let's go to the server again. All servers, not only private, not public and private. Okay. Now trying to connect a public server. Public IP. Then right till here. Connected public server. Now my source is not laptop, my server now. My target is not public server, private server. Now what I want to perform. So okay, successfully I connected. Connected public server. So sudo su-, you just remember this command. We'll discuss in the Linux class. I think Linux class has already started, right? No. Okay. What? No, yeah. Linux class has already started. You're not attending, na? Why? Evening 5 p.m. classes are started or not? No, na? I think. Hmm? Okay, I think your batch, there is next schedule. Let's check. One exam also conducted. We didn't get an invite. Okay. Let's wait. Wait, no problem. Maybe at the time already Linux started. Later you joined, right? So next batch they will engage to this batch. Even I will cover here. You don't worry. 4 to 5 classes I will cover here. Anyway, so at this time you just understand only one command. Sudo su- to switch to root. Okay. What is root? What is user? Will discuss. There is a big story. It will take 4 to 5 days. At the time I will discuss. So this is not a blocker for us anyway. Just remember a sudo su space hyphen to switch to root. Okay. Hello? Arif. Arif, ఇప్పుడు న్యూ బ్యాచ్ ఉన్నారు కదా 9 AM బ్యాచ్ ఉన్నారు కదా వీళ్ళకి లైనక్స్ క్లాసెస్ అప్డేట్ ఇవ్వలేదంట ఓకే అంటే ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ బ్యాచ్ కాకుండా నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్కి ఇద్దాం వీళ్ళకి 15 క్లాసెస్ అయిపోయా నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ సరే ఓకే 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 అరే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో గైస్ batches Linux already started 15 days back. So next batch they will engage you. Okay, next month again new batch will start. They will engage. Every month one batch will start. It's free for everyone. Okay. If you are okay, you can extend. You can join this batch also, and you can continue that next batch also. No problem. If you are free. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Free for Linux. Everyone can join. 30 classes. You can utilize. Okay. Even I to cover Linux. You don't worry. I to cover. We'll share. We will get you. So we will share the link. Arif will share the link today in the group. You can join. Or ask to your friends. Guys, please share the link for Linux in the group. Others also can join. Help to them also. But if you are able to understand, you can continue or you can join next batch also. You can attend 3 times. Our course content, our course duration is 4.5 months, 4 to 4.5 months, right? You will get a chance to learn 3 times Linux. Every month one batch will start. You can join anytime. Okay? But better to continue at least 20 to 25 classes. 4 classes, 4 classes this batch, 6 classes next batch. Don't do like that. Okay, anyway, I connected public server. See, I'm here now. Learning Linux in depth, not at all required. Learning Linux is not, in depth not required. You are not a Linux administrator, first of all. There is a separate role for Linux administrator. In each and every organization, one Linux administrator is there. They will take care of everything. They won't give any task to like administrator level. Okay? No need to spend time more on Linux. Just required command. Just know the 7:30 batch today completed Linux. I have started 5 days back. Today is completed. I have shared these comments to them. Only 85 comments, enough. Okay, 85 comments I discuss 5 days. Every day 20 comments. Done. Apart that, no need to focus on Linux. Even the free we are going to provide, just focus. Nothing bad to learn new things. Okay? Okay. Next. This is public server connected. But here we are not going to deploy any application. We are going to deploy application into here only. So by taking a help to public server, enter into the private server. This is called jump host or bash host. Clear now? Yeah. In interviews, nowadays they will not ask this kind of questions anyway. How to connect private server means don't say by taking IP, public IP I'll connect. Don't say. First connect the public server, enter into the network. Once enter into the network, from there to private server we will connect. The reason public server, private server, both are running in the same network. From external, I can connect the public server. The reason private server is not accepted from the external. So I'll take the public server help and enter inside. From there to private server, I will connect. Okay. So now I'm inside of the public server right now. So I'm trying to connect private server. Source is public server, target is private server. Clear now? So what and all required to connect a private server? Same. Key pair required, IP required, SSH and all required, right? So in this case, same command I can use here. Private server command, connect SSH client. This is the command to connect any server from the terminal or anywhere. If I take this command, it will not, very important thing guys, very important. There is a mistake here. You need to understand this. This is which IP? Let's go and check. This is private server. So by default, it is taking a public IP there. So not correct. Take a private IP. That's what you are not supposed to enable public IP for private server. This kind of issues will come. So take a here. What you need to do? Go here. Connect here. Here I need to change private IP. If you disable public IP for the private server, we no need to change anything. Directly it is taking this private IP only at the time. So are you? Yes. So permission I need even no key here, right? So I need to place key of target server. Key of target server means what? My target server key already loaded inside the server. Which key is public key? I need to upload private key here of the target server so that this server will get authentication. Okay. So you need to upload a key here. But key already there in the laptop, right? Key already there in the laptop. Now your laptop is not trying to connect a private server. Your server is trying to connect a private server. So server end you should upload target server private key. So I use same key for public and private. So I'm uploading the same key. Okay. So if you are using third party tool, directly you can upload the key. You can check now ls. Sorry. And one very important thing, uploaded key, right? So here you can see user is what? EC2-user, but you are in the root. So if you want to switch EC2-user, su-EC2-user. Two commands you need to remember. EC2-user to switch root, sudo, just I'm saying the commands only, sudo su-. If you want to switch to root, if you want to switch to user, which user? EC2-user, EC2-user. Before that, su-command. If you run this command, again you are able to enter EC2-user. I have uploaded key here in EC2-user path. Otherwise, you can change the path route here and upload the key, no problem. So now if you can give ls, I'm able to see my file. So by using vi command, you can upload the file. It's a command prompt, terminal approach. Or if you want to upload by using this upload option, you can use. Anyway, even if you upload something, you are able to see the file. For example, I'm able to upload different file also. Just for your understanding, Linux practice file. See uploaded. If you give ls, list of the files you can see, Linux practice also there. So you can upload through terminal or using this option also. You can delete here. So here also deleted. Or you can use the VA editor command. VA editor command is what? So my key mumbai.pem is there, right? So I'm going to remove. So this is whatever approach I have discussed. This is upload option. Second approach is what? VA editor. So if you want to run VA editor, switch to sudo first. Run VA editor here only. Otherwise, easy to use before run sudo command before. Better to follow this concept. Root. Now you can execute the command VA. Which key I'm going to upload? This key. So copy and open here. So it will take you into the one page file. First give I, insert and copy the key. Where is the key here? Go to downloads. My key is here. My key is corrupted. Yeah, correct only. So copy and go to right click only. It won't work control V, just right click. And then how to save the file? Escape, first escape, press escape, colon, write, quit, save, exclamation. Clear now? Yeah. Easy to use and also you can create VI command, no problem. Key is there or not? Now, if you do something, it will corrupt. Key also corrupt means if you do something inside the key, if you add your name and other name into the key, it will corrupt. What confusion here? How many times I need to explain this concept? Huh? Yesterday also. Okay, focus here. Guys, this is the public server. This is the private server. This is the laptop. How this public server allowed to connect this laptop? This public server and authentication I'm talking about. Public server and public key is there. Please practice every day. Okay? Otherwise, very difficult. These concepts are not easy. Highest pay in the market means DevOps highest pay in the market means not easily you can earn. Highest pay in the market means definitely we have a challenges, right? Every day if I spend half an hour, I need highest pay in the market means so many students are spending 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. Attending the classes, no result. Even 0.1 benefit also you won't get attending the classes. Practice only. Trainer will give 20%, trainer will give 20% only. But here trainer is giving 80%. Trainer will give 20% if you can follow the Udemy sessions. You can understand. Rest 80% student can grab. Here we are giving 80%. You just spend 20% only. Even your BTech also, right? After MSET, if you get a good rank, everyone says that I got a good rank, I got a good place. I mean, good seat in universities. But once you go to universities, nothing is there. I have done my MTech in university only. Even no classes. Just professor will come weekly twice only. He says something and will go. Then what is the benefit of say universities? Campus placements will come only. Nothing is there. So there we can prove ourselves to get a job. Everywhere same only. 100% if you try from the trainer, 100%, what will happen? Trainer is ready to give. But your course content, course duration will be extended to 1 year. How many days completed after starting the sessions? 10 days, huh? 8. 8 days. Still we are on the networking. If you take training from any other institute, now you are at database. And after few days, they said AWS is completed. Now we enter into the DevOps quickly, Git. But still 8 days, still we are at server creation level. We are very slow. Okay, please practice. I don't have to repeat the sessions one more time, second, third, fourth. But whoever asking this, if you're not practice and ask the trainer, you're wasting others' time. Understand? Use the opportunities. Mentors are available. You have a right to ask the mentors. You have a right to ask the trainer. Take a screenshot and upload. I'm unable to complete. Please help. So you can clear the doubt. Don't compromise to ask the questions. Once again, I'm saying after 1 month, if you may, no, I'm not talking about Hamza for you. I'm talking about everyone. Okay. Learn like that level. Just I'm saying it's a good approach. Okay. Okay. So guys, just focus here. This is server. So to connect the public server, first what and all required? IP is required. SSH 22 port number should be enabled. And very important key pair. Key pair means which key pair is required from the source and private. Public will be there into the server level. Clear? So once you upload the private key from here, only you can able to connect. This private key, when you connect through any tool, you can upload here. Private key. It will send the request to your server. User is uploading one private key to connect a server. Is it correct private key or not? Server will verify and give the result back. Yes. Allow. Correct private key only. So you are entering into the public server now. Now, here to here you are connecting. Here to here you are connecting means this server should accept your request, right? Like here to here. This server should accept your request means this server and also public is there or not? Same key I'm using. This server also public is there. This server and also public key is there. So this server, if you want to connect from this server, so here acceptor is what? This server. Acceptor, yes, allowed to connect means this server accept your request means first you should give the correct key of this server. So this server will verify, okay, this is correct key only, then allow to connect. In this case, server and public key is there. For handshaking, you should upload which key? Private key. So the private key is located where? Laptop. Once you upload into this server and private key is there to connect this server and public key. Now both handshake will be here. For example, I created one more server also. Same key I use, public key. So to connect this server, if this server is trying to connect this server means in this server inside, this key related private key you need to upload. Then it will allow to connect. Clear or not? Same key or different key, doesn't matter. Whatever key uploaded into the server, same key related private key you can upload here. So private key in the source end, public key in the target end. Both should be handshake, then able to connect the server. Here public is different, here private key is different means authentication issues. Server refused the key. That error already we discussed. Clear till here? Now concept is I enter into the public server. I enter into the public server to connect a private server from here to there. I need to upload the key of target server private key here, like here. This is the target server. Target server private key you can upload into the from where you are connecting. Understand? Target and public is there. This private key you are uploading into the source end. My end source is what? Public server now. So here I'm going to upload target server with respect to public key, private key I need to upload. That's what I have uploaded. The upload method is you can use like this method to upload a key. If you upload here only, this will be uploaded here inside. So this is path you can check EC2 user only there. So once you upload the key will be uploaded EC2 user level. EC2 user level means SU hyphen EC2 hyphen user. This is the command where we can find out the uploaded one. Why the key will be uploaded here? Still you are in this path, you are using this location. Okay. Yeah, different keys means you can use a different key also, no problem. We are using different key. For example, this server is created different key. This server is created different key. But both private keys, they are not in your laptop. Yes. If this public related private key means you can upload that key only. Understand or not? You can use number of keys or same key. But the condition is what? Public, private, both should be handshake. Public key, private key should be handshake. So public key creating time, it will be uploaded into the server. So you can give the correct private key of the public key, then only you are able to connect. Clear now? Okay. Now my end, without key, if I try to connect, target server is refuse your connection. Where is your authentication? In this case, all servers will be connected without any authentication. Authentication is means who can connect only. Clear now? Okay. So upload option, you can follow this one or you can go for terminal approach. Terminal approach means using the VI command. So agenda is what? Upload the private key. Yes. Upload the private key of the target server. My private key of the target server is what? Same key I use. So same private key I'm uploading here. So I can use this process or VI process. So better to use VI process if you practice on Linux terminal process or EC2 connect process. This option is not enabled, right? Available. So if you learn this process, you can work any platform. So VI, it is an EC2 user also. You can try sudo also. You can write VI command. But here, if you try VI command, the file name should be same. The file name is what? Why this file name should be same? Your command contains this key name. SSH-i client command is there, right? Yeah, that's what I'm doing that through terminal only. This is terminal approach. Inside server terminal approach. I'm not using this platform now. Now, connect. So key is what? Copy, paste, done. Clear now? So my end key is there or not now? Key is there. In the terminal approach also, while creating a public server, key should be there in the same path. So my key also there in the same path. Which key it is, public or private? Private. Where is the public key? Target N. Let's go to the target server. Now you can take the SSH client command. This is wrong again. Okay, this is wrong again. Why? It is taking public IP by default, but it should be in the private IP. If you disable a public IP while creating a private server, it will take by default private IP only. But you are assigning public IP plus private IP for private server. That's why it is taking this IP. Clear now? Okay. So what I can do, connect. Yeah, that we'll discuss later. First, please focus. If you lost the PEM file, yes, the concept is there. We'll discuss that concept. No. The Linux. Private. Permission denied. So in this case, what we need to do? Run chmod command 400. I'm giving read permission to my file. My file name is what? My key something. Connected. Clear? So this user first read the file. This file is correct or not? This key is correct or not? In this case, we can run this command. Remember this. In the Linux class, I will discuss what is chmod and all. So we'll discuss like this case, Linux, no, don't worry. So there also I discuss what is chmod, give the file permissions and all. Okay. So see here, even if you're having any doubt, click on the connect SSH client. See here, the steps how to connect a server. Open SSH client like Mobexterm or terminal or whatever it is. Locate the private key of the target server. And next, if the command is necessary, run the permission also, chmod 400. And then connect the public IP, but not connect the public IP, right? Private IP. So change this IP here. But if you not enable public IP for the private server, we don't have any issues. Directly you can copy paste and run it. But it is taking by default public IP. So we are not supposed to enable public IP for private server. Clear now? Even from here also you can try. Same process, right? How to connect the public server from the, laptop command prompt? Huh? I want to connect public server from here. Command is what? SSH. Or directly go here. You can copy paste. Which server I need to connect first? Private server, is it possible to connect? No. So connect public server first by using this command. Connected. Why? Same path, and yesterday I copied the key. Connected or not public server now? From here to, I want to connect what? Private server. And you, yeah, correct. Let's go to the private server. Take private server command is this one, right? Can I take from here? Or you can take from here also, no problem. But here public IP is coming, right? Again, we need to change. Already changed one is there, right? So I'm using that. So this should be changed. Already changed one is there here, right? I'm using this one. Go there, run private server, connecting private. I'm able to connect without uploading key. Why? Already uploaded in the server key. If you run ls command, so you are in private server, right? If you run ls command, key is not there. The key uploaded inside the public server. If you want to check, run exit command from here. Now you will be public server. Check LSC, key already there. I have uploaded key here by using this platform. So key is there inside the server. If you connect from any platform, you are able to see the server key inside. Any questions now? Yeah, chmod 400 is necessary if it will ask. Permission denied error, it will come. See, they're also saying run this command if necessary. If you are uploading correct key, even though you are unable to connect, permission issues are coming, run this command. If you executing the commands through EC2 user, this kind of issue will come. If you executing the commands through root, it won't ask chmod command. Correct. Yeah, console connect also, no? Console connect terminal both. Okay. Console also I'm showing you now. Yeah, chmod 606 not required, give 400 only. 400 is read, 600 is read write. Okay, so Praveen is asking to show me one more time through console approach. Okay, let's see now. Console approach is what? Connect public server. Private is not possible directly, right? Connect here. EC2 instance connect. Connect. Okay. Connected public. Guys, you tell me I connected public server right now. If I give ls, my key will be there or not inside? Yes. Finally, I connected server from different platforms only. I'm not getting a different servers. Understand? Once you upload the key from the one approach, the key you can see in the different approach also. No need to upload again and again and again. Same server you are connecting through MobiXterm, uploaded key. Same server if you can connect, same key you can see in the different approaches also. No need to upload every time. For example, if I give the server access to my friend connect the server. If you give ls command, he is able to see the key. Again, he need not upload the key. Server is common. Persons are changing. Approach is changing. But once you do the activity, that activity will be stored inside the server, right? Clear now? No need to upload key. First time you can upload the key. Okay, I'll show you. Wait. Next is what? Connect private server. The command already there, right? I'm taking from here. Paste. Done. Only single command. Permission already given in the one method. Now you are inside of the private server. This name, the command contains, the key name is same, right? So you need to upload the key same name. If you are using VI method. If you give different name, so it won't read this name. Understand? If you give the different name, no problem. You can change the name also here. Key inside content is same if you change the name also. Name, if you change the rename, content won't change, right? My key Mumbai in place, you can give my key also, no problem. VI my key also you can give, no problem. But this command you can rename it my key only. Remove the Mumbai. Also you can do it. If you want to change the key name is different, rename is different, key changing is different. Please focus the concept what I'm discussing now. Any questions now? Yeah, why not? You can do anything through CMD also. Agent is what? Server is same. You can connect any approaches through MobiXterm, Booty, command prompt, EC2 connect, whatnot, so many things. Clear? Or do I need to show one more time? Thanks, Hamza. Guys, please don't hesitate to ask the questions. But my agenda is only one thing, guys. My request is, if you practice and ask the questions, I don't have any problem. Without practicing asking the questions, I can easily understand you are not practicing. If someone can ask what is private IP now, everyone can understand, right? He's not practicing. Yeah. Please practice. There is a good, the coming year, we have a lot of hopes on the calls. February, March, April, 3 months. So be ready for the time. Your life will change completely if you get a job. Of course, without internet, how you can connect? Even class also disconnected now. If you ask me to test, I don't have any problem. If I remove this internet, class will be disconnected. Dharma, good year. Okay, clear na? Okay. Guys, coming days, you will get a clarity. Don't expect day one, day two, day three. What's going on background means every day you will get some clarity. 5 months course, 4.5 months course. If you struggle, what we are doing exactly here means we won't get clarity now. Even if you are in the project also, you don't have any clarity. If you are in the project also, your TL will give the some task you are doing only. What exactly you are doing also you don't know. The reason no one can show the architecture of the project. No one shows the what exactly you are doing. They are saying do this thing only. Why? If you ask, just do that only. Don't ask any questions. Your TL will say. First day, second day. Once you do good performance, give the better result, they will slowly explain to you. Okay, you did a good job. Actually, why we are doing this thing, they will explain. If I ask something today, what exactly we are doing, what is the project, show me the architecture, explain. No one can give in day one. Here also same thing only. Clear or not? Yeah. Sometimes you don't know exactly in which region you are working also. So yeah, yeah, no problem. Okay, let's go to. So guys, you are inside the private server, right? Now you can give exit command. Again, you are exit from the private server. You are in the public server. Okay. Correct, exactly, Prashant Lakshmi. So the account creation and all everything, your architect will take care, your manager will take care. They will give this is the environment for our project. AWS account and all they will give. You no need to create your personal account. You can work there only. Hmm? Okay. Now the very important point is you may confuse if you not focus here. Guys, okay, anyway, I have connected private server finally. Clear? Now, what exactly I need to do now? Again, we got a questions here. Okay, I connected through Bastion host. Okay, I connected through Jump host server. Okay. Next, what I need to do here? We need to do some activities. Deploy. For example, I want to run Python deployment. My Python code is there. Okay, I can run. I want to deploy Java code. Okay, I can run Java code. But to run Java code, Java dependencies is required. To run Python code, Python dependencies are required. So what is dependencies we'll discuss later. But now guys, see now, the thing is very clear. Now I'm inside of the public server. How do I know? Check this IP and go to server. You can understand which server you are inside. Okay. So 10.0.190 private IP of the public server. This is 10.0.0.119. So you are inside of the first server, that is public server. This server having internet or not? Yes. So guys, for example, I'm going to run ping. In Linux, we have a command, ping command, to check the response. Ping google.com. If I give this command, the meaning is check Google is working or not. Ping google.com. So if I run this command, I'm getting some response. Oh, I'm not getting response, unfortunately. What could be the reason? This is public server only, but I'm not getting response. What could be the reason? Anyone? No. Very good. See guys, let's understand. Let's go here and open the google.com. Google.com working on which protocol? HTTPS. Right or not? But it will run HTTP also, but HTTP permission they completely removed. HTTPS is secure or not? Yes. But I'm unable to run HTTPS. The reason my server end here HTTPS I haven't configured. Okay, anyway, we'll discuss later. What we can do, this server running, this server inside security group is there, right? This security group, otherwise, okay, better guys. Let me install some package here. Minstall, or we have a wget command in Linux. Wget command is to download some packages from internet. Clear? Download some packages from internet. For example, let's see now. So if you can see guys, for example, this is the one template website already. Okay. If you can see here, live demo. Okay. So these are the live demo. So what I can understand, I can download this website into my server inside. In this case, we are using wget command. Okay. Wget command to install. How to run? Click on the right link, copy link address and go to your server and run here. So run here, wget, paste and enter. So it is connecting but not connected. The reason why? Let's go to now SG group. Your server is running, right? Yeah, correct. Your server is running. Which server it is? Public server. Public server attached security group. This security group enable is what only? 22 only. So HTTPS is not allowed, right? So what I can do? All traffic means no issues, no restrictions. Okay. So let's try to give HTTPS. Source is anywhere or my laptop. Clear now? Let's go and check now. Control C and then again run. Okay, let's check. Is this public server or not? Is public server only. No, is this public server only? Public server private IP. Oh, sorry. It's my bad. Now I'm inside the public server, right? So wget paste here. See, I'm downloading now. Okay, this is public server. You can download what you want or ping google.com. See what we can understand guys here. Simple logic is I'm getting response from the Google also. So what we can understand? Let's stop it here, Control C. So what we can understand from here? So here, your request, this public server able to connect the internet. Wget means the request will go out and install inside the server. And the outside person also connect your server. Understand or not? Okay. Now my question is very clear. same requirement if I want to run inside the private server. Understand? Is it possible? This server goes out means by using internet gateway and take in through internet gateway. Bidirectional. Server can connect outside internet. Outside person can connect server through internet. Right or not? See, this person is connected or not by using internet, and server also will go out and connect or not? Yes. But what about here? Is it possible to connect internet? No. So in this case, same command how to run. Let's connect a private server again. How to connect? Sorry, take here. Yeah, I'm connecting private server again. You are inside of the public server, right? I'm again entering to the private server. Okay, you are entering to the private server. The same command, you run wget command here. Is it possible to run? Or Google command? Still hanging your request. Why? Internet is not there for the private server. If internet is there, how the request will travel to out? Your server not accept external request, and also server is not go access to external request. Completely isolated. In this case, what we can do? If no internet access means, for example, if I want to install Python to run a Python code, I want to install Java to run a Java code. So definitely I can use the wget command or m commands, install some packages. For example, simple logic here. This is your laptop. So your manager said that run a Python code. This is the Python code. What you need to do? First install Python in your laptop, right or not? Without internet, is it possible to install Python in your laptop? No. Clear or not? Install Python and run the Python code. This is the process what you need to follow. Now, my server inside, I want to execute Python code means my server inside, I want to install Python or not? I want to install Java or not? Dependencies required or not? Dependencies need to be installed or not? In this case, private server, how it will be installed the packages? So, connect like this. If I connect like this, what will happen? This is also public server. Then what is the use to create a private subnet and all? You can create directly into the public server, right? Yeah. But if I connect like this, just understand. If I connect like this, now you tell me this person will connect or not? Yes. Now you tell me this server will connect internet or not? Yes, by through the internet gateway. But this is not a correct practice. If it is a correct means not required any private servers and private subnets concept. Okay. So here we have a concept NAT gateway in AWS. Okay. We have a concept NAT gateway. NAT gateway concept is to only one word I can say, to provide internet to private server. That's it only. If anyone asks what is NAT gateway, to provide internet to private server in secure way at that point. It may enter, they can ask, then you can use internet gateway, right? Internet gateway is not secure to private server. Everyone connect from external and vice versa. But NAT gateway, the good thing of the NAT gateway is not allow external request to access your private server. Then we can protect our server, right? Yeah. So by using NAT, we can provide internet to private server in secure way. Guys, you tell me to connect private server by using SSH NAT gateway is required? Not required. NAT gateway only required internet required time only. Everyone say how to connect private server, NAT gateway, NAT gateway. No, to connect the private server, NAT gateway is not required. To require internet only, NAT gateway required. Understand here. And NAT gateway, guys, allows only unidirectional. The request is unidirectional. That's what, Sharath. Same point I discussed now. The point is what? One question: to get internet access to privates, can we go to the public server? That's what I explained just now, right? If you use the public server, this is, see, public server, you tell me one thing. How to give the public server internet to private server? So using route table only like this. Same routing path also there for public subnet, same routing path is there for private subnet. So there is no private concept if you provide a route here. This is also public. So if you provide like this means, what will happen? Outsiders can connect your server through internet gateway. You also can connect internet from internal to external. So the reason is internet gateway allows bi-directional request like this. Understand? But NAT gateway not allows both direction. Allow only egress traffic, outgoing traffic. Clear? So internet required to what? Internet required to private server. So private server can access internet. Private server is inside the network. So private server can access the internet. But no one can connect the private server through the NAT gateway. Clear? Okay. Let's go to the Google. What is NAT gateway? NAT gateway is a managed service from the Amazon Web Services that allows instance in private subnet to connect the internet and other services outside of the VPC. Yeah, see now. What is the statement here? Read this statement. So NAT gateway enables instance in a private subnet to connect the internet and other services while preventing external services from initiating to connect to those instances. It will prevent if the external request is coming to connect the instance. Only allow instance inside internet only. Understand? Now in this case, where I should place NAT gateway? Public subnet inside or private subnet inside? Very good. Public subnet inside. Why? First NAT gateway required internet, right? If I place here, first NAT gateway also there is no internet. Then how NAT gateway will provide internet? So NAT gateway will provide inside the public subnet. Now NAT gateway internet is there or not? NAT gateway is located into the public subnet means NAT gateway also internet. May you get it out? Why NAT gateway? In this case, can I take internet gateway? But internet gateway allows two directions, no secure. But NAT gateway allows only, so for example, NAT gateway allows internet to private server. Again, how NAT gateway route the traffic here to here? Again, we can create a route table. How the request is traveling through internet gateway to public subnet to route table. Same, we can provide a path to route table. See here, we can create one more route table. This route table is public or private now? Private route table. Very good. This routing from where to where? NAT gateway to route table to private subnet. Same like public concept. But public concept source is what? Internet gateway. Private server source is what? NAT gateway. That is the difference only. So private RT. I will show you the lab tomorrow. So you will get a better clarity. Okay. Now, yeah, correct. Now server is required internet. So NAT gateway will provide internet to server. Why? NAT gateway already having internet. But if anyone trying to connect the private server like this, like this, like this, not possible. Here block. Understand? NAT gateway block ingress, mean incoming area. Only allows outgress, egress, outgoing area only. But internet gateway is not like that. Allow this way, this way. That's what we are using NAT gateway here. So if it is a NAT gateway, this area block, allow this area, means here the server is there, access the internet only. But internet gateway, so if this is the server, so user is trying to connect, server is going to internet. Both directions allow. But NAT gateway block completely from external traffic. So allows only internal traffic. Now IZ is unidirectional or bidirectional? Allows bidirectional. NAT is, yes. NAT gateway to the request. See, NAT gateway already there in the public subnet. NAT gateway is not allowed to connect again Google. Understand or not? Okay, don't confuse much here. Just understand today. NAT gateway is used to connect. NAT gateway is used to give the internet to private server only. Bash and host server is to connect the private server from the public server. This public server. Just remember these two words only, enough. So we'll show you tomorrow the first how to connect internet from the private server. Then I will start the load balancer concept. Once we deploy application, we should access, right? We should give access, then we can start the concepts. So today we discuss only just NAT gateway only. Clear, guys? Online team, are you clear? Yeah, thanks. Thank you so much. Have a nice day to you all. Bye bye.